What you're looking at is a half helmet for a motorcycle. I purchased this at Canadian Tire. It was on sale. I think I paid between $25 or $30. It's very, very manly with the lovely skull in the front. And today we are going to girly this helmet up. Okay, so to make our helmet a little more feminine, we are going to start with removing the visor. I just used a butter knife. Flathead screwdriver would be a better tool. Okay. Then I just have a wet rag, which I'm going to wipe it down with. Most other videos show a bit of sanding to make the paint stick. I'm a little concerned about the integrity of the plastic, especially because a lot of paints these days have a tendency to break down the plastic in order to stick to the product. So we're already going to have enough wear and tear that I'm not going to do any sanding in this project. So next I have some masking tape. It was purchased at Dollar Tree for $1.25 because everything is $1.25. I'm a little bit concerned about my DOT certification, so I'm going to make sure I tape that so I don't lose that in my whole process. Bike, if your helmet is not DOT certified, it's not a road helmet. Also, whatever clothes you're wearing, they will be destroyed, so make sure you dress appropriately. It is not really the time to put on makeup and have a beauty pageant in the backyard. If you do make it to the end of this video, past all the fails, we do girly up this helmet, and stay tuned to find out how. What I'm doing is I'm just taking my fingernail or the butter knife and I'm pushing the masking tape down into the rubber. That way I don't have it overlapping my helmet. With the front we have the visor off. It's not a huge concern if it's not perfect because it will be covered by the visor. Motorcycles are becoming a more popular sport for women, and I find there's just not enough products for them. If there are, they're from countries where they don't have the DOT certification. As with my other videos, I seem to really like this Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch. It's found at Home Hardware. Right now they have 40% off. I just did a thin one layer. We're going to do multiple things to this helmet, so I don't want it on too thick. So we'll let it dry and we'll continue with phase 2. So after playing around with how the water and the nail polish go together, I'm going to try this again. Maybe I'm not working quick enough. Let's try working a little quicker. Keep in mind all my nail polishes were purchased at Dollar Tree. I think we have a good effect here, and let's go for the dip. Not quite the desired look I'm going for. It's a little lumpy. We're gonna wash it and try it again. So it's not quite what we were looking for. We're gonna try it again until we get the marbled effect that we want to see. I don't really want as much silver, so we'll just keep going. I do think it's drying a little bit because we are outside, and I want to say it's about 80 degrees out here. Most videos did call for lukewarm water, room temperature water. So I think I'm getting a drying effect before I'm getting it into the water. So we're gonna try to save this home.
So this has become a clear example of what not to do when you're using nail polish. For one, my water was too warm, and for two, I think that my nail polishes were a little bit on the cheaper end, and I do think if they weren't fast drying, I would have had a better result.
Okay, so we're gonna try to save this homemade. I got some sparkles from the dollar store. Let's see if it's still sticky enough to hold any of them in. Add a little gold. I don't think we're sticking. So let's try layers of clear coat, layers of sparkles, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have my Rust-Oleum clear coat. Well, else fails, glitter makes everything girly. Okay, we'll let it dry and we'll see how it turns out. Okay, so it's not really what I envisioned, but we're going to take off the tape and see what our product has turned out like. We still have to do some cleanup as well. It's not paint, but there's sparkles all over the outside. And we still got to keep our little dot certification. So I'm still roadworthy. So I did notice I covered some of the holes. So make sure if you do this, I was expecting to just use paint, don't cover the holes. Just tighten the screw. Okay, we're all done. We'll tighten this up and we'll give it a try.